Hello, Yen. Good morning. Okay, how are you today? Okay. Okay. So now we're going to have, yesterday, we have our, what's that? Our writing. I no, our grammar. Simple present tense. And I know you enjoy about that because of the examples. Now, we're going to have our writing. My first writing final exam. Okay. Here. Now, Yan, look at this one. So we have to write here the answer, okay? You start now. My birthday is on, in, what? My birthday is in or on? My birthday is in or on? Okay, let's check. Oh, this is test. Wait for a while, oh yan. Okay, this is test, oh yan. So we cannot have this. Okay, next, number 2. Number 2. My London Olympics. Okay, number 1, that's correct. Number 2. Okay, number 3. I receive a new bike. My cousin's wedding will be on or in? Okay. Next, write the correct word form of word. Okay, I will erase first. Oh, sorry. Thank you, Oyen. Write the correct form of word. Do you like? I enjoy. I want. They like. Write the correct form of the word. Do you like? What will be the right thing that you will write? Here, you have to change this. Do you like to study? Do you like studying? What? I enjoy watching movie or watches movie. What do you think is the answer? Okay. Number 6, I enjoy watch or watching. I enjoy to watch or watching. Okay, very good. Number 7, I want to play or playing. I want to play or playing. I want to play or playing. I want playing. That's your answer. Final answer. Okay. Do you like to listen or do you like listening to keep up or do you like to listen to keep up? Okay, next. Okay, look up this one. You tried, sorry, Uyen. Look at this one. You try to answer. Pick your answers here. You choose, pick your answers. What is in the picture? Toothache. Very good. 10. What's number 10? She has a headache. Next. No air is. Very good. Number 12. She has a Okay, very good. Sore throat. This one is wrong. This is sore throat, not throat. Okay. So this one, I will take a picture. This one, this is a toothache. Very good. This one, a headache. Very good. A fever, sore throat, runny nose, and stomach ache. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. We look at it one. Write the words in the correct order. Example. Look at the example. I bought many presents. Okay. Here, this is the example. I bought many presents. Okay. What's this? Write the words in the correct order. I got a new bike to mom. Okay. I bought many presents. Present here. Here. I got a new bike to mom. The doctor gave a shot. Okay, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is complicated. We got there on train. We got there. Yeah. Yeah, wait. We'll not answer this one. It is a first planet from the sun. It is the first planet from the sun. Around 12 million people live in the city. Okay. Oyan, their instruction is not correct. Okay, it's not clear. The instruction is not clear. Look at the example. Teacher did not understand. Example, I bought many presents. Present here. I bought. Okay, this is their instruction. We will not answer this one. O yan. This is complicated. Their instruction is wrong. Okay, look and answer. Look and write the sentence. Use the be verb when necessary. Okay, like number one. What will you do with this? Busan is the second largest city. Like that. Busan is on the south coast. Okay, you will write the be verb. The be verb that you will choose, Oyen, is is, and are. Okay, these are the be verb. I will write here. Is, and are. Okay. You can write that be verb. You can pick that be verb. Look at number one. This is number 20, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, look at number 20. So you will say, Busan is the second largest city in Korea. Okay, you will write here. This number 20 and this one is number 20. Busan is the second largest city in South Korea. So you add S, the B verb S.
Can you write? Can you write?
Teacher
Can
will
you
write.
write?
Okay, example, look at this one. Sorry. That one. Okay, so number 21, yeah, you answer number 1. This number 21. Start with Busan again. Go in, girl. You ate your breakfast? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Teacher also not yet. Okay, where's your S? S, you pick here. You pick the B verb. Is or are? What's your answer?
Busan are.
Only one. Busan is or are? Always make the Busan. Busan are on the south coast? Are you sure are? Busan is only one.
Busan is.
Okay. Don't forget, Huyen. Huyen, don't forget that letter B. Okay, that letter B is big letter. It's capital. Okay. Number 22. Busan blank the largest port in Korea. Okay, I will add here. Okay, I will add choices for is or has. Busan blank the largest port in Korea.
Teacher, can you
Yes.
write?
Okay. Teacher will write.
Can
Busan
you write?
is or has? What? This is your answer?
R.
Oh, wait. Busan, is, are, or has? Okay. You dictate. Okay, wait for a while. You dictate the answer and teacher will write. Okay? Okay, you tell me the answer. Busan
Many
has or is?
has
Okay,
has
has next. You tell
the,
that answer.
the largest
Largest
city
in.
in Korea.
Okay, next. You just tell the answer and teacher will write. Okay. Number 23, what's your answer? About 3.7 million live or lives in the city.
Living
Live or lives only.
lives.
Okay.
And now lives. Live.
People
Live.
lives in the
Not
city.
live. No, live.
What's your answer? Live only?
Not S. Not
Oh,
S.
do not put S. Okay. Next. 24.
Then, then I live.
There are. There
Uh,
are or S?
there are
There are
many
many
uh, I don't know what this
huge
sheep
huge
sheep
ships. Okay. Oh, you dictate the answer now. So teacher will write huge ships at
at
the
the top.
port. Okay. Next, Uyen. 25. Jagal si.
Mark
Jagal
as
chi.
this is
Market is. Again, is.
is a famous seafood market in Busan.
Seafood market in
Busan.
Busan. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Let's check your answer. Teacher Ann will check. Okay, here. Busan is the second correct. Sorry. Correct. Busan is on the coast. Remember, Oyen, this Busan, it should be capital letter. Look at letter B. Please make it capital next time. Busan is in the south, is on the south coast. 3. Busan has the largest port in Korea. Very good. Number 23, your answer is about 3.7 million people lives in the city because we are talking here numbers 3.7 million. Okay, next. Okay, 24. There are, very good. Next, Jagalji Market. Okay, next. Next. Okay, I will erase. Please erase. We have the answers here. Okay, we will check your work. Okay, this one. Okay, look at number. This is the answer for 6. My mom will be tired. It will be good. We will be hungry. I will be an English teacher. Concert exhibition. Oh, this one is what kind of answers kay this one? This answers kay given to us is not the same with the tests. The answers kay given to us is not the same with the test. Okay, we are not talking here about concert. Oh, wrong again. Okay, the answers kay given is not correct. Okay, we will have to find another activity. We will move to bye. Okay. This one, wait for a while, Oyen. I have to. So noisy. Okay. So I will have, okay, their answer, their activity, their answers kay Oyen is not correct. Okay, I will take note of that. Now I will let you, Oyen, I will let you show the tenses of the verbs, okay, via YouTube so you can understand, okay? Because last time we talked about the simple present tense. Teacher Ann told you about simple present tense. What is simple present tense, right? Teacher Ann discussed it to you, the simple present tense. Okay, now I will let you show on the YouTube the simple, what is simple present tense for you to understand well. Teacher discussed this yesterday. Now we have writing, so we still have time. We have to use this for discussing or letting you simple, what is simple present tense. Okay, I will show you a part of the subject. What is simple present tense? Okay. Okay, this one, I will share it to you.
Class!
Okay,
Do
can you
you
see
know that
that?
there are 12 tenses of verbs?
Okay.
Yes, you heard it right. There are 12 tenses, and we will take a closer look at each one of them in this series, starting off with the very
Okay. So, Uyan, today we are done with a writing exam. Teacher will check that later, the exam. And then, okay, the answers K in the exam is not good, right? Did you see it? It's not correct, right? Yeah. It's different from what Teacher Ann and Uyan answered. Diba? Yours is correct all. But in the test, it's not. So we will have to make another answers key. Teacher Ann will check your answers. I will give it to you this afternoon, the correct. I mean, your scores. Yay! Okay. If how scores of how what scores did you get? So last time we talked simple present. Like teacher told you, Oyen and Jillian doesn't don't like ice cream. Oyen and Jillian don't like pizza. Okay, so we are going to have this. We are going to, I will let you show about simple present tense again. At least you will be very relaxed in understanding and you can understand well. Okay, here, let's try this.
common tense in the English language, the simple present tense. Alright, so it's learning time!
Oh,
Now, when do we use simple present tense of the verb? We use this to express the idea that an action is repeated or usual. So our keyword here is the word repeated and usual. So what are these? These are actions that we usually do. Examples are habit, or we could have a hobby, or daily event, or something that we continually do in the present. Now, how do we make a sentence? It's just simple. You just have to take a subject and add a verb. A subject is like I, you, we, they, or any plural nouns, so those are plural subjects, while subjects like he,
He,
she,
and
it,
it.
or
Okay, this is what
Emma,
Teacher Ann told you.
Anna, Mary, the child, the boy, are what we called singular subjects. Now, of course, in a sentence, again, we need to add a verb. So, verb is an action word. Like, for example, the
Eat.
verb eat. So, I
I
eat,
eat,
you
you
eat,
eat,
we
we eat,
eat, or
they
they
eat.
eat. For singular subjects, we say he
Eats,
eats, she eats,
eats,
or
it
it
eats.
eats. For plural subjects, you take the base form of the verb. Base form is the version of the verb without any endings. For example, is, ing, ed, or d. As you can see in our verb eat, it's the root form of the verb. We did not add anything. On the other hand, for singular subjects, it needs also a singular verb. So that's why we added s to our verb here. For
Okay.
singular subjects, we add s
S
or
or
es
es.
to our verb to make it also singular. For regular verbs, we need to
Okay,
add
this
an
one,
s
third
to the
person
verb.
singular.
For example, walk becomes
Walks.
walks,
Climb,
climb becomes
climbs.
climbs. Now, verbs ending in s, x,
S,
ch,
ch, and
sh,
sh.
or o, we need to add es this time. For
Mrs.
example, miss, misses, mix,
Mix,
mixes,
mixes,
watch,
watch,
watches.
watches,
We have
wash,
wash,
washes,
washes, and
go,
go, goes.
goes.
So that's how you spell the verb. Now, for verbs that end in consonant
Okay, what will
plus
you do
y,
if there's
we need to
Y?
change y to I and add es. Like, for example, we have study. It ends in consonant plus y, so it becomes studies. Or we have fly. Consonant L plus y becomes flies.
Okay, look at here, Uyan. This is the verb what teacher Ann told you yesterday. We have to put this is the main verb. Walked. Jillian walk. Okay. Jillian walks in the street. Jillian and Oyen walk in the street. Okay. Walks here, this is plural. Okay. You have to put S. Okay. Put S. Jillian climbs. Jillian and Oyen climbed the tree. Okay. So if this one, verbs ending in S, if the verb is end with S like miss, if the verb end with X like mix, if the verb ends with CH like watch, and SH like wash, you have to add ES. Okay. You have to add ES for the verb. Okay. You have to add ES for the verb like misses, mixes, watches, washes, goes. Okay, look up, you have to add es. That is uyan if the verb ends with this one, with s, with x, with ch, with sh, or with o. If the verb ends with this, so you will have to add es only. Es, as, es, es. Okay? Next is consonant. This consonant, if it ends Y, like study, fly, okay, look at it ends with Y, right? What will you do? Erase, erase the Y. Okay, teacher, erase the Y, teacher, and I will erase the Y. Okay, no Y. Okay, sorry, no Y. No Y. What will happen? Add, change it into I, and add es. Y, change it into I and add es. Okay? Okay, Uyan? Next, continue.
For verbs that end in vowel plus y, we just have to add s. For example, play. A
Okay, look at this one. Teacher, it's Y, but you didn't erase. Because, oh yeah, this is ends with Y, this is Y, but this is vowel. Vowel. Letter A, vowel. What are the vowel letters? Vowel letters. A, A, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. These are the vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel letters. So, these vowel letters, okay, if it will goes before the Y, it becomes, you don't need to erase. You will not erase Y, only add S. Just add S only. Here, this is consonant. This one, this is consonant. This is not vowel. This is not vowel because there are only 5 vowel letters. Only 5, Oyan. Remember that. Only 5 vowel letters. Okay? There is only 5 vowel letters. Okay? So again, this one, you will add S only because this is vowel. But this one, this is not vowel. So you will erase, 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 erase. Okay. Okay. Next, continue. Oh, wait for a while.
I don't want anymore.
here
Okay.
is vowel plus Y. You just simply have to add S to the verb, becomes plays. Say becomes says. So again, just be reminded of these rules and be careful of how you spell the verbs because of course spellings are also important. Now let's move on to discussing the different uses of simple present tense. The first use is when you talk about habits and routines. Another one is about permanent situations. The third is when you talk about facts and general truths. And
This
of
is
course,
true.
scheduled events in
Habits,
the near
permanent
future. You also
situations.
need to use
Ah,
simple
it's
present tense.
true.
And the last is when you
State
talk about
verbs.
states with stative verbs.
State
We are going to
verbs.
discuss all these uses one at a time. We'll start with habits and routines. So, what time do you wake up, eat breakfast, or do your homework? Or what time do you usually go to the office? Or what do you usually do during weekends? These are actions that are repetitive. You do them every day, every weekend, every year. Anytime you develop something of a routine, then you have to use simple present tense verbs to describe it. Say, for example, we have number 1, the shop closes at 7 p.m. Now, this action is done regularly. Now, you see a timeline on the screen. If it is a shop that opens for 7 days in a week, you know that every 7 p.m. from Sundays to Saturdays, this shop closes at 7 p.m. You can see that it repeats. Now, this is a routine. Our subject here is shop and it is singular, so we need a singular verb also. That's why we added S to our verb, closes. Another example is Pauline practices the piano every day. So again, this is a routine or a habit because it's something that she repeats doing. So Pauline is our subject, while our verb is practices.
Okay,
We
like
added
that.
an SY because our subject is singular. Another example is I usually take the train to the office. So it's a routine. And whenever he goes to the office, he takes a train. So I is our subject, which is
Okay, can you see that? Oh, yan. I know we cannot finish this one because we don't have time. Okay, we don't have time. We will only finish habits and routines here. Habits and routines. Okay. For habits and
At
routines,
18 minutes.
okay,
18
we're
minutes.
almost done. Okay. You like having the video? You like video like this? You,
No.
you didn't like
No.
video?
No.
Oh, why you didn't like? You like Teacher Ann? Then the video?
Yes.
Oh, you like Teacher Ann. You like Teacher Ann. Don't worry. This is only double. Teacher Ann discussed this already, but Teacher Ann wants you to understand more. More. Okay. We have here habits and routines. Okay. The shop. So when you say, oh, why are you taking off your jacket? Why are you taking off your jacket? It's hot? It's hot now? You feel hot? Okay. Habits and routine. Look up. You do this every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Every day you do this. Okay. So example, the shop owned by Oyen closes at 7 p.m. So every 7 p.m., your shop, your flower shop closes. You use as because there's only one shop of Oyen. Only one shop for Oyen. Okay, next. Oyen practices the piano every day. So it means every day you practice piano every day. Okay, every day you practice piano every day. Pauline practices the piano every day. You practice the piano every day. I usually take, oh teacher, why there's no S? Take only because it's I. I is plural. I is plural. Okay, so that is why it's take. I usually take the train to the office. It means when Oyen goes to the office every day, she take the train. She takes the train. But here, take only. Why? Because it's I. You understand, Oyen girl? You understand, teacher? This is what teacher told you last time. This is about the present tense. Only teacher tried to show this so that you will have a clear understanding. But I know you like your name to be on the example. Okay? Yay! So for now, Oyan, okay? And okay. Teacher Ann will say goodbye and I will be giving the result of the test this afternoon. Okay? Okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Do not go out, okay? Because of the COVID.
Bye-bye.
Many COVID.